Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Hodgson, and I'm a chiropractor. I'm also an expert in sciatica. So a lot of times when sciatica is going on, and what sciatica is it's irritation of the sciatic nerve. And that can happen at the spine, it can happen from a disc herniation, it can happen from a misalignment of the spine that we call a subluxation. It can actually happen from a muscle pinching down on it outside of the spine itself. What it feels like to you, if you've ever had sciatica, you know instantly. It feels like burning down the back of the leg. It feels like electrical signals. It's very, very uncomfortable. It can go all the way down to the toes. And most people, when they have sciatica, it's an immediate crisis for them. So they're going to their doctor immediately, sometimes the emergency room. It's a very scary situation. Oftentimes you can't move, you can't find a comfortable position. Now, one of the things to remember with sciatica is that the traditional medical treatment is going to be X-ray, MRI, potentially surgery, and then they'll usually recommend physical therapy and drug therapy. Now, where this falls short is that if the nerve is actually being pinched inside the spine, none of this stuff is actually going to help it. So that's why evaluation and treatment by a chiropractor can be such a beneficial thing. It can often save you tons of time, tons of doctor's visits, and tons of money. So sciatica is actually a relatively, I don't want to say easy problem to fix, but if it is a chiropractic issue, it's definitely the only thing that's going to help it long term.